gorgeous. So I am starting this vlog by going to do my nails. Fall is here. I still have the silver nails on. I loved it. I really enjoyed it. It was so awesome, but it's time to take it off. So I'm gonna try to get something that has some orange in it to represent fall. And there's a nail art that I saw. It has green and orange, and I think I like it. I hope I don't change my mind when I go in there. But yeah, that's what I intend to get today. And you all are coming along with me. So let's go get our nails done. So let's get into the embroidery on this top. I really love it. This is my first time wearing this top, and I've had it for like I think 2 years. I just never wore it because it's white. Like every time I've had to wear it or I wanted to wear it is a time when I'm going out with my kids. And you know how it is when you're going out with kids and you're wearing white. God, no, that's not a good idea. So today, since I'm just doing a, dilly-dallying kind of self-care type of day, I decided to wear it. And I'm like, wow, this is so beautiful. Like the artwork, it is just amazing. And it's all sewn in. I think it's hand sewn. So it's so beautiful. I love it, love it, love it. I'm really feeling myself today. What do y'all think about my top? Let me know in the comments. So let's make my yummy favorite salad. This salad just tastes so amazing. I love to enjoy it in the summertime. I make it with this package of Buffalo Ranch salad mix that I get from, I think Kroger has it, H-E-B, Walmart, everywhere. All the stores have it. It's usually very amazing. And I also make it with this breaded codfish that I get from Sam's Club. This salad is so good. For me, I love to add baked beans in my salad because, I don't know, baked beans just gives it that extra flavor, a bit of that sweet flavor that I like in salad. So for the codfish, I love to make it in the air fryer because when I make it in the air fryer, it comes out very crispy and yummy, and that's why this is my favorite salad. It just tastes so amazing. I mix up everything and just enjoy. It's a quick lunch for me and a quick healthy lunch. So today is Labor Day. There is always something nice about a holiday weekend. I mean, today is a Monday and I get to chill and have a good time. I'm starting out my day making these lovely chocolate croissants that I love. They always taste so amazing. I'm going to pair it with, of course, my lovely cup of tea. I love to drink tea. You know, tea is my favorite thing. I don't do coffee. And I'm going to have some awesome, tasty golden kiwis. Look, golden kiwis are my favorite because they're way sweeter and lovely. They taste way better than regular kiwis. And as usual, for my tea, I always put my honey, and I use almond milk and almond creamer because I prefer things that are dairy free. So, you know, and all of the creamer and the almond milk that I use actually tastes good because it has almond milk and coconut milk, which of course makes it very tasty. Since this is a holiday weekend, I get to just sit in bed, relax, and really enjoy my breakfast because later in the day, I am heading out with the kids to go have a good time. Finally, I am ready to head out and we are headed to Texas Typhoon or Typhoon Texas. We are going to have an awesome time playing in the water today. This is a water park type of day and my kids are ready. We're all in our swimwear and we're ready to have a good time.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up our love friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long.
So we just got to Texas Typhoon and of course the energy is high. The place just looks amazing. First thing we did, my kids took pictures in front of this big chair because the last time we came here there was a long line and they didn't get to take pictures. So we took pictures in front of the chair which turned out amazing. And of course we headed straight to the wave pool because that's where the party is at. The wave pool is always fun. There's always good music and it's always very entertaining. It's lunchtime. We have to get something to eat. Oh my God, I underestimated the food here. These chicken strips were so tasty. The fries were so tasty. And the dipping dots my daughter got, chef's kiss. Everything tasted so good. We're having an awesome day. From the wave pool, we came over to the junior section so my daughter can play on the slides and also, you know, enjoy counting down, watching the buckets pour the water. It always entertains her and makes her very happy. Today has just been an awesome day. Like everything has been so much fun. After we spent some time at the junior section, we came out to get some soft serve ice cream, which, oh my God, this ice cream was so refreshing. Like I couldn't get enough of it. It was so creamy and just delicious. I just sat down and really took it in and enjoyed it. Oh my God. So it rained, and even though it rained, people were still in the wave pool. They were just having such a good time that they did not want to get out. To end the day, we got some amazing pepperoni pizza and it was time to head home. But anyways, if you've enjoyed watching this vlog, let me know, and let me know in the comments what you think. We had an awesome Labor Day weekend, and I hope you had an awesome Labor Day weekend wherever you are. I took some pictures as well at the wave pool and they all turned out amazing. If you haven't subscribed, please, now will be a good time to subscribe, like, comment, share, and tell your friends about us. We are happy, gorgeous people, and we like more happy, gorgeous friends. So remember, stay happy, stay gorgeous. Bye.